Once, generosity. As for his generosity, the Prophet ﷺ would never refuse any request. He would never refuse any asking of him. And that is why one of the Sahabiyat said that it was possible for any little girl to go to the hand of the Prophet ﷺ and ask her to do something for her. Ask him to do something for her. The little girl had some help, she needed maybe to carry something, and she would have no fear to go and ask the Prophet ﷺ to help her out. And it is once narrated that the Prophet ﷺ was wearing a garment that had holes in it. It was not appropriate that the Prophet ﷺ was wearing a garment like this. So one of the Sahaba gifted him a very beautiful and a very good garment. And he went home and he wore that garment and he came outside. One of the Sahaba immediately said, Ya Rasulullah, can you give me this garment as a gift? So the Prophet ﷺ turned to him and said, Naam, yes. He went back home, he wore the same clothes that he had just took off. He'd literally been wearing it for 1 minute. And he came back wearing the tattered garment and he gave him the new one. After a while he went back inside his house. All of the Sahaba, they jumped on this other one. How could you have asked the Prophet? You knew he wouldn't, look at what they said. You knew that he would never turn down a request. Look at how they rebuked him. You knew that he wouldn't say no to you. How could you do this? So he said, before you get angry at me, I'm not doing this to wear. I want to use this as my kafan, to show the generosity of the Prophet ﷺ in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I want to use this as my cloth to be buried in. That's why I did it, right? So he had his own reason for doing that. I mean, no doubt, perhaps it was better to leave it for the Prophet, but he had his own reason. I'm not doing this to take it off as that. I want this to be worn around me. That in the qabr, this is what I want to be wearing, and so I asked him to give it to me.